Hey guys, so welcome back to I am again here. Today in this video I am going to teach you that how you can get Creative Fabrica All Access subscription just for $1. Now you don't need to pay $27 and $12, $19 and $19. You can get $29 plan just for $1. Here you can see the website name I am again here. You can see iamagainhere.com. And in this website, how you can get Creative Fabrica All Access subscription just for $1, I will teach you today in this video. So just stick with this video till the end. Here you can see that right now Creative Fabrica has more than 4.3 million graphics, which is a huge amount. And they also have 80,947 fonts and lots of more stuff you can find on this website. If you come here, you can see there are different types of fonts available, graphics, KDP interiors, logos, product mockup, and lots of more graphic, and similarly lots of stuff available on this website. And if we talk about their subscription, you can see right now they have 4 different types of plan. So if you choose anyone, you need to pay $29 per month if you want to get for full access. But they also have some other plan which you can use. But in this video, I am going to teach you that how you can get all access just for $1. And what's the next, guys? The method I am going to teach you is only work when you do this like what I am teaching you. If you go directly to Google and you cannot find this, simply go to Google and type Creative Fabrica All Access subscription $1. After that, type iamagainhere.com. You must need to type I am again here because in this website you can find this. Now click on search, come down and you can see Creative Fabrica All Access subscription $1. I am again here, you can see. Click on it. After that, you will be landing to this page where you can see Creative Fabrica All Access for just $1. You don't need to pay $29 again. Pay $1 and get full access to millions of graphics as I already showed you. Come down and you can click on go to the deal. Guys, after clicking on the link, you will be landing to this page where you can find Creative Fabrica All Access just for $1. You can get $29 plan just for $1, and after that you just need to pay $19 per month. You can see renews at $19 per month. You can cancel anytime, no question asked. So if we look here, you can get 80,000 fonts, 4.3 million graphics, 61,000 cut files, 25,000 designs and commercial license included. So if you go for fonts, for graphics and for craft, you need to pay $12, $19 and $19. But here you can get $1 for first month, and after that if you are satisfied with this, you can continue with just $19. I also have a bonus for you, like if you want to get 30% off on this website. Guys, simply come to iamagainhere.com by typing it on Google, or you can also find the link in the description box of this video. Simply when you come to this website, come down and you can find coupon deals and discounts, reviews, blog posts and lifetime deals. In lifetime deal, you can get monthly subscription software just by paying a one-time fee. It means you don't need to pay again for your life. Also, you can see pay once and never again. And if you are a newbie, you can get 10% off additionally. So you can try this. But right now, I am talking about Creative Fabrica 30% off. You can find coupon deals and discount. Click on it. After that, in this page, you can find different types of coupons and code like vidIQ 50% off, SEMrush 10% off, AppSumo, and lots of more coupons available. Here you can see $10 free for Stack Social. If you want to buy anything from Stack Social, you can get $10 for free. Similarly, come down and you can see, come to the next page, and here you can find Creative Fabrica 30% off promo code. Now guys, after you come here, you can see Creative Fabrica discount code. Click on it and you can find a coupon code. Here you can see, you can use this coupon code to get additionally 30% off if you don't want to get Creative Fabrica $1. So guys, this is all about for today. Keep in mind all these are limited time offers, so get these as soon as possible. If you want to get any type of other coupon code in any other software, just comment below and join our Facebook group by typing I am again here. I will teach you more about there. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next.